Well, I'm back outside again this morning because it's another perfect time to do my cold crash, dry hop, and the dry hop recirculation. It's about 35 degrees here in Tacoma, so that, in my opinion, is the ideal temperature to do all these processes. The whole point of the really short video today is to show a little extra detail in what really happens as you're doing the recirculation. To better understand my setup, and if you're interested in this at all, look at the link right up here. This is the first video I did that talks about the setup, the pump, the whole recirculation process and theory. Today though, I've added the sight glass to the bottom of the fermenter so we can actually see how quickly all that hop does come down and compress into your cone, and what it looks like when the recirculation pump kicks it all back up again. So it'll be really short. Watch that video. Take a look at the short one here, and I'll post the results of this beer, how it tastes at the end of all of this, as soon as it's finished. You can look for that link either below in the description, or if I can figure out how to put it up in the upper box there, I'll do that too. So here we go. Let's take a look. Okay, so here we go. I've got the setup done. I've already done the recirculation one time yesterday, and so now we're going to give it another session here this morning, and this will probably be it. I added the sight glass, as I mentioned, so that we can really see what happens. You can see all your dry hop basically is fallen down and packed into the cone right now, and so we're going to do something about that. We're going to recirculate it back up in and make sure we're getting the maximum utilization and benefit from our dry hop. So let me turn on the valves. Two. Plug in the pump, and then we'll turn it on. Okay, so here we go. Probably happened pretty quick. Pump on in 3, 2, 1. And that's what we want. Pushed all of that compressed hop back up into the beer where it can really do some good. So let this run and we're almost done here.